This week's word of the week is the word demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show someone how to do something. One of the challenges we as teachers have been having with this new online teaching is deciding how to demonstrate things or show you how to do things online. A second way we can use this word is to mean to show that something is true. Often you are asked to demonstrate your ideas about a novel by giving some text evidence from that novel, showing that your idea is true because you have some evidence to back it up. So those are a couple of different ways that we demonstrate or show something. Some synonyms for this word would be the words show, display, teach, exhibit. It comes from our Latin and French parts. De means away or entirely. The root monstrare means to point out or show. And the suffix ate is the state or quality of. So to demonstrate is that state or quality of showing or pointing out something entirely. Some related words would be the noun, the thing that we do, a demonstration. Or if we wanted to describe someone who was good at doing this verb, we would call them demonstrative. Or we might do something, the adverb form of the word, demonstratively. A couple of examples. Sentence number 1, would you mind demonstrating how the bobbin winder works? I don't know how many of you have used a bobbin winder on a sewing machine, but I would probably need a demonstration to remember how to use that correctly. I'm not much of a sewer. Sentence number 2, the math teacher demonstrated the correct procedure for long division. Always helpful in math to have some demonstrations about how to do problems. So this week's word of the week is demonstrate. Make sure that you write your own sentence using the word demonstrate, as well as fill in the blanks of your paragraph, and then upload your completed template to Canvas.